Okay guys, remember guys, sa maging successful kayo, number one, the rise and fall of all organization builds on the leader. Leadership is all about influence. If you can influence others, whether it's good, whether it's bad, you can succeed. So one thing you want to develop is the leadership. And of course, ang nakita ko of course na may leadership, may teamwork, kasi ang leader, kaya niyang gawing team. Okay? Lahat nagiging productive, lahat nagiging isa, lahat iisa ang common goal. And that's secondary lang ang mga technical. Even you're not so good in technical, everything will just follow when you have the right mindset of being a leader. Number two, okay, everything will just follow. Remember, the 15% is the technicality, but the success is all about the teamwork and leadership. So that's why even ako, first time ako sa ganitong industry. Why I succeed? Why? Because of the leadership. Technicality, 15% lang yan. Actually 5%. The 90% is actually, it's all about your attitude and leadership. So of course, announcing round one.
Wow!
Ito lang kayo, no? Naaalala niyo, alam niyo robot? Yung mga nasa, yung labanan ng mga row, yung ganon. Di ba yung mga, ang tawag doon? Hindi yung sa dagat, yung sa
Dragon boat.
Di ba merong nagaganyan?
Yes.
Okay. And then merong
Sagwaan,
gumagano.
yeah.
I'll give you example of how leadership works. Subukan niyo, everybody follow. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo para ma-develop sa inyong leader. You start with this. Isang ganyan lang. Isa lang. Hindi na. Okay, everybody. Follow. Everybody. You see, the rhythm.
Yes.
The rhythm. That's why encouraging siya. If you become a leader like that, that creates rhythm, momentum. Everything will just follow. And of course, that's yung gusto kong ma-develop sa inyo. You create with the small, ulit, para ma-internalize yung training natin ngayon. Okay? Mahina. Okay, mahina. Okay? And then, go! You see the feeling? That's the kind of leader. So, announcing our leader, our group, nananalo, group. Tana.
Ayan, ala ko, ano?
Okay, group. 1.